Well, hello everyone, and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. Well, the day is finally here, and I am excited to share how I made my deck over for the season. Now, I really love the way it turned out, and I can't wait to enjoy a cup of coffee out here in the mornings. Now, before we get started, this video is in collaboration with Chanel from Angelic Interior Designs, and she will be sharing her backyard space as well. So when you're done watching my video, head over to Chanel's channel and check her out as well. She has been doing some fun things over there on her channel, and you are not going to want to miss out. So this is a recent picture from last year, and this is going to be a budget-friendly project. And so in doing so, I had to pull together quite a few DIYs along the way. Now, previously, my deck had an overall dark feel, and you guys know that I have been transforming the inside of my home to have a lighter and brighter look. So it was only a matter of time before I brought that same look on the outside. So I lightened all of my patio furniture with spray paint, and I used the color Coastal Gray by Rust-Oleum. I also picked up some lighter cushions for furniture, and the cushions are from Menards. Now, you guys may already know this, but if you don't purchase your outdoor furniture by Memorial Day, forget about getting any complete sets of anything. Now, when it came to the sofa cushions, I had to make them myself because I could not find the proper size cushions for my sofa. So to keep it budget friendly, I used the canvas drop cloths from Home Depot. Now, this is not a tutorial because this is not done the proper way. I'm just sharing how I put this cushion together. So I used the 6x9 drop cloth, which was a good size for my sofa, and I had a little bit left over. So once I wrapped the fabric around the existing cushions, I had 3 sides left open. So basically I made a large pillowcase. So now I'm going to stitch along the 2 sides, leaving 1 side open. So once I have the cushion cover fitted to the cushion, then I'll slide the cushion out and sew it on 2 sides, and then I'll put the cushion back inside the cover and then finish off the edge with hot glue. Okay, I know Chanel is about to cringe at this time, but yeah, I used hot glue. So next, I wanted to paint my fireplace. Now, I had a little problem with the fireplace. It began to rain, and the rain washed the paint off the fireplace, but nonetheless, I got it done, and I think it looks fabulous. And then later, my husband hung curtains with more drop cloths, a good way to save money. And then we have a fire pit on our deck, and for some reason my grandson seems to think it's a drum. So we're going to have to get rid of it, and I had an extra table round in the basement which is covered with a vinyl cloth, and so I brought that out and set it on top of the fire pit to use it as a table or as an ottoman. But first I wanted to go ahead and give it a coat of spray paint as well, and I used the same spray paint as I did for the chairs, and it was the I can't think of the color, but the same I showed you in the beginning, and this is how it turned out. And so next I wanted to plant some flowers. Now this is the last DIY, I promise. And so I just have some succulents and some faux sedum that I'm going to put together in these 2 containers. And because they don't have a drainage hole in the bottom, I'm going to use rocks in the bottom and then fill in with dirt, and then add the real succulents and the sedum, and then add some faux succulents to fill in. Now I like to use the succulents because they are very easy to take care of and they're fairly inexpensive, but the sedum is expensive, but the succulents can be a little pricey, so that's why I'm going to go ahead and use some of the faux succulents just to fill in the bowl, because they're a pretty large size bowl, as you can see. So guys, continue watching the video as I put the outdoor space together. And I do have a few more DIYs and updates that I didn't get to share. So let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing more outdoor videos. Now, don't forget to check out Chanel's channel, and I hope you guys enjoy the reveal. Now, if you're new here and you like what you see on my channel, I would love it if you would stick around and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you at the next video. Bye-bye.